Hey, Bear, buddy. Time to go to work, huh? Yeah, I hate the grind as much as you hate me leaving. Alright, Bear, I'll see you tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow, I'll see you later on tonight, but for you, it'll feel like 2 weeks from now. Oh, bud, she's frosty. Whew. Holy crap, she's frosty. You think Cooper's been running for a while? He'll be nice and warm. Now, some of you may have noticed I haven't posted anything in a long time. That's because, well, I haven't posted anything in a long time. It's not a lie. Alright, I wonder if you guys can see that. Well, I can. It's perfect. It's a HUD because, look, my gauges don't work anymore, which is sick. Road legal, 100%. Anyways, I gotta talk to you guys. This is just a little update video. Let you guys know what's been going on, why I haven't been posting, what I plan to do for the future, and what we can look at, well, like, what's the channel gonna look like over the winter? Well, I'll tell you right now, there is some decent news coming to Redneck Enterprise. We're gonna be getting a couple of new things. I already got one of the new things. That being a new engine for Cooper. Cooper's gonna be my project truck. He's not gonna be my daily driver forever. You know? And I got an engine for him. If you follow me at all on social media, like Instagram, you will know that I recently acquired a 6.2 liter LS block, a Gen 4 LS 6.2 liter out of a 2010 or 2012 Camaro, I believe, not 100% certain. I think it's out of a Camaro because I saw a Camaro at the Wreckers, which is where I happen to work. I got this engine for really cheap, and yeah, it's only like a bottom end timing and all that crap, but hey, for $135, just to put it in reference, I paid $135 for this windshield installed. So for another $135, I get a high performance Chevrolet block. I'm not mad at all. It's a 4-bolt mains, so it's a very durable block. It'll put up to whatever I need it to put up to. And you know what? It's going to be a great addition to this truck. It's going to take this truck to the next level, next performance level. And I'm going to love that. That's going to be great. Why is it? Oh, I have it in miles per hour. Oh, a fucking idiot. I was like, I'm not doing 54 clicks, I'm doing like 90 clicks. But no, it's just in miles per hour. Okay, why wasn't I uploading? Well, there's a couple of things that kept me from just recording, period. And I'm not gonna make a laundry list of excuses. I know that a lot of people, especially a lot of YouTube creators, have gone through tougher shit than me and still managed to make semi-regular content. I'm not looking for a pardon on this. I'm just explaining to y'all what happened. Now, number one, again, if y'all follow me on Instagram at all, you already know this. I got fired from College Park. Now, I mean, no, like, College Park, like the people at College Park you meet, no bad blood between them. I loved all my coworkers while I was there, you know? And Larry, my boss, he's an okay guy, but I kind of feel like he was having a bad week, and then my little late incident caused him to like go over the edge, and he had to take it out on somebody. And me being the probationary employee, well, I'm the one that got taken out on. Again, I don't hate Larry. I don't want to see any hate against College Park from any of you guys. They don't deserve it. Still a great dealership. Still some of the best salespeople that you'll ever meet. Right? That's reason number one. Reason number two is very, very soon after I lost the job at College Park, my friends know this, and some of the people who aren't my friends but are kind of close to me know this. I ended a significant relationship with my girlfriend at the time, and that really, you know, bummed me out because she's the one who wanted the relationship in the first place. She's the one who kept wanting it to advance. And then right as we were like I would say getting probably 70% of the way to getting like decently serious. Like, hey, this is going to be a long haul type deal. Like, I'm not saying marriage or anything like that, but like, yeah, we could be dating for the next couple of months. You know, we were only dating for, I think, just over a month at that point. And, you know, I fell head over heels for her really quick. But then she just pulled the plug and was like, yeah, but I only like you as a friend, and my brain is in a bad place right now, and I keep confusing that, so that was just a piss off. I didn't feel like doing anything. You know, I lost my job 2 days before my girlfriend, that I'm head over heels with, breaks up with me because of a mistake that she made, apparently. I don't know. That being said, again, I'm not revealing any names to keep hate out, and those of you who do know who that is, leave them alone, okay? I simply have not communicated with her since, and I don't need y'all to go and be angry at her for me. She knows exactly how angry I am and how frustrated and pissed off that it made me, okay? She knows that already. She doesn't need a bunch of other people yelling at her. Because I'm over and done with that now, okay? Now, the third reason, and this one is the hardest to bear and the one that was most, you know, tentative and nervous about putting online, but hey, you guys deserve to know the truth. Again, I know I don't have a big viewer base, but it doesn't care to me whether 10 people know the truth or 10,000 people know the truth. People need to know the truth, okay? Now, a couple of my friends that I've been friends with for a long time, there was a recent big argument between really just me and one of them, one of my friends, and it was over a girl that I used to have my eyes on, and she said she didn't want to be in a relationship because of, you know, her schooling, and she didn't want to be tied down. And I said, you know what, that's fine, that's reasonable, you go ahead. And then I wasn't naive in thinking like, oh, she's gonna, you know, stay totally abstinent and all that the whole time she's there, and when she comes back, we'll be right back together. I wasn't naive like that. I assumed that she was gonna find someone else, and you know what? My assumptions were correct. She did find someone else. I'm happy that she's happy. Now again, the little immature, retard, testosterone-filled kid in my head is like, but that's not fair. Yeah, I don't care. Life isn't fair, you know? Yeah, I may have lost her, but I've gained a whole bunch of other things right now. I got a great job, stuff is going well. But that's not pertinent to the story. She meets this new guy. I talked to my friend and was like, hey, is she romantically involved with this new guy? And that friend keeps saying, no, I don't know, it's not my business to tell, yada, yada, yada. And I was like, okay, well, all right. So then I talked to my other friend, the one that actually goes to school at the same college as the girl that I had my eye on, and I was like, hey, dude, bro, is this girl, you know, in a relationship with this guy? And he's like, you know what, I can't say for sure, but my intuition says yes. I was like, oh, well, that's perfect, because I know this guy, and well, his intuition is wrong less than I am wrong about trucks. So, and like, that's a 1 in a billion chance that I could possibly be wrong about a truck. Anyways, you know, and then I had to call my friend out on lying to me and withholding the truth. And this isn't the first time it happened. This was a very specific circumstance, but this same friend has withheld information that was important to me before. Now, this hit me hard and really fucked me up for a while, because I'm not a guy, like, I may seem like a friendly guy, but in person I have very few friends. I have very few close friends. People that I trust with just about everything. And that was an RCMP officer, and they're not pulling over or turning around, we're set. I wasn't speeding this time, see, 50 mile an hour, 80 clicks. Doing the speed limit, boys, for the RCMP. Anyways, I don't have many friends, so when one of them feels the need to betray me in any sort of way, whether that be simply withholding information that I find important to me, that really messes with me, because you know, I put so much time and energy into trying to make a couple of friends that when even one of them decides to throw that back at me in the face, it really makes me mad, and it really, you know, just sets me off. I said some things that I shouldn't have said. That doesn't mean I don't mean them. That just means that I shouldn't have said it. I meant every word I said, and I'm not taking back any of it in an apology. I meant it. I shouldn't have said it. But if that's not the way I felt at that point in time, well, fuck me sideways with a chainsaw, gently. You know? So that huge falling out kind of put me off for a little while. And at this point in time, I started my new job here at the Wreckers. Now that's like kind of reason number 4, but it shouldn't count as a reason because I was making content back when I had a full-time job anyways. This, oh my gosh, stop fucking rotating. I can read it anyways, I can read upside down. But this new job I'm working at, I work at Valley Auto in Vermilion. We're a wrecker. We take apart vehicles, sell anything that's valuable off them, and provide people with reliable and tested used parts. I really enjoy it there. I'm making, and this is a good thing for not only me but the channel, I'm making decent money, which means if I got money, that means I can do truck stuff. If I can do truck stuff, that means cool content for you guys, which I think is a win-win for everybody, because if I can make cool content for you guys, that means you guys can help spread the channel, share the wealth, and everything's fine. Everyone wins. Now it's time to move on to the next part of our conversation, which is gonna be, where does the channel go from here? Well, like I said just now, I am making more money. I will be able to provide more modifications and stuff to my trucks. The problem being is with making more money, I work way more. I'm booked solid the whole week from 8 till 5. You know, like, there's no, I don't really have spare time during the week. The weekends are going to be the only thing. I'm not going to try and set a schedule. That was the mistake last time. I posted on Instagram and say, oh yeah, new things coming up every week, blah, blah, blah. I was like, no. I didn't even hold up to that week. Like, I posted the week after that, and then I didn't post for like another month. So I want to become more regular in my uploads. I'm not going to guarantee a schedule. I'm not going to guarantee, you know, frequency of uploads. I'm not even going to guarantee that you guys are going to see another upload before Christmas. Like, that just might not happen. This grader is going incredibly slow, so we're going to do a full throttle flyby. See ya, pal. For those of you that think that Cooper doesn't haul ass, that was 60 to 120 from me being behind him to the time I passed him. Now, I'm not saying this truck is setting land speed records or quarter mile times, but it's pretty fucking good for a tired old 305 on propane, I gotta say. But, you know, with all that being said, with everything that I've discussed, I hope that you guys at least try and understand why I didn't upload. And if you call me out saying, oh, none of that shit's an excuse, you know, people go through that all the time, I appreciate that, because that keeps my head in the game. That keeps me from, you know, being some sort of fucking self-pity professional victim. Alright? I'm just explaining to you guys what happened. I'm giving you guys my true excuses so that you can pick holes in them and tell me, oh, you could have made time. That's why. That's really why I'm making this video. Is so that y'all can motivate me to make new content. Alright guys, well, I know there wasn't really any truck content besides driving in this video. So, I'm going to do y'all a favor. I'm going to make something kind of interesting for you guys. What we're going to do is a quick 0 to 60 run in Cooper. Now, hopefully you can see, but if you can't, I don't know. You guys will just have to trust me. But this is a GPS speedometer. And you know, compass and all that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get onto some flat, dry ground so we don't spin on the launch. Okay? And we are gonna do a 0 to 60 in Cooper, all right? Ready? And go. Spun a good bit. Woo! Jumping mile an hour. 43 in first gear. 60. There we go, boys. I have no idea. That might have been exactly on point, but the speedo is a bit slow and jumpy. Just because it only updates so quick, being a cell phone type deal. But yeah, if that at least will give me a ballpark figure. Now I know for a fact that Cecil, my old truck 0 to 60, was nearly 20 seconds. That felt a lot quicker. That felt like 10 to 11 seconds-ish. At least half the time. But then again, you know, you never really know. Until you get a lot of experience driving, you never really know how hard a vehicle launches. But either way, guys, I hope you enjoyed that little fucking poonage clip, and I hope you all have a good night and an even better tomorrow. Y'all have a good one.